What school and reading was like before learning Ally was it was really hard to read. It was really hard to comprehend because especially with like dyslexia, when you're reading, sometimes it's not clicking in your head what's going on. So it was always helpful when I was introduced to learning Ally to be able to rewind the book. And it just made me appreciate reading even more to the point where now I've been able to take AP Lang and AP Lit and ace the exams. It's just been really great having it. I've changed so much. I've been able to read books like Lola and the Boy Next Door to Posted, which is another book, to A Long Walk to Water, which was my very first book. It's just an altogether amazing app. What Learning Ally has meant to me is it just changed my view on reading. Before, I thought reading was hard and it was lame and I just didn't like it. But from Learning Ally, I was able to dive deep into books that I thought were interesting, whereas when I was younger, I really loved romance novels and Nancy Drew. Yes, I'm a very big Nancy Drew fan. And being able to read the line by line and comprehend what was going on, understand it on a deeper level meant so much to me. And then after that, having been on Learning Ally for so long, I was able to pick up a chapter book and just read it myself. So not only did it just help me read and help me comprehend better, it just made me want to reach out and strive for more. What I would like to say to the volunteers who record audiobooks and the donors who made this possible is thank you so much, because without you guys, we honestly would be screwed. Being able to read and being able to have it as a tool, being able to feel included in discussions about books in AP Lit and AP Lang has made me such a better person, has made me able to communicate, made me able to analyze when it comes to Space Cat, when it comes to analyzing poems. It has just helped me understand the world better, helped me understand myself better, because when you read a book, you really just dive deep into a whole nother world, and being able to be a part of that is amazing. So I would like to say thank you so much for what you do. Thank you.